Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, let's start our English class. What is our fourth lesson name, children? Who gets the treasure? Okay, who gets the treasure, children? In last class, we learned the person who works all the time, who works hard for his goal, and he will definitely get the treasure. Okay, already we have completed our story, children, isn't it? Yes, we have completed. Now see here in Green Box Studio, page number 54. In Green Box, there are three meanings. Okay, three meanings. See, first one, complain. 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 Complain means grumble about something. GRUMBLE. Grumble about something. 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 Complain, grumble about something. Next one, boring. 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 Meaning dull. 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 Third one, honesty. 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 The meaning of honesty, the quality of being truthful. CTHE, the quality. QUALITY, quality of. OF, of being. BEING, being truthful. TRUTHFUL, truthful. Honesty means the quality of being truthful. Okay, children, is it clear for you? Let's read once again these three meanings and you have to read along with me. Okay, let's see. Complain, grumble about something. Boring. Everyone have to say boring. Dull. Okay, boring, dull. Honesty. Okay, repeat after me, children. Honesty. The quality of being truthful. Honesty, the quality of being truthful. Okay, children, now what you have to do is you have to read these three meanings at the same time. What you have to do? You have to take one book. Okay, take one book from your book set and leave how many pages, children? Here I am writing. Leave 15 pages. Okay, 15 pages. Leave 15 pages and keep the heading in 16th page. Lesson 4, who gets the treasure? Keep the lesson heading and keep the heading here also. Okay, after lesson name you have to keep like this, Roman number 1. Okay, meanings MEANINGS, meanings. Okay, like that keep heading. Roman number 1, meanings. 3 meanings you have to write. Okay, number 1, number 2 and number 3. Like that you have to write these 3 meanings in your notebook. Okay, you have to leave the 15 pages in new book and keep the heading 4th lesson, who gets this treasure, and in next line start Roman number 1 meanings, write 3 meanings in that one. Okay, that is your homework, children. You have to complete it and send to me. Okay. Okay, children. See now, after completion of these meanings, okay, do it as your homework, children. This is your homework. In last class, we have completed this question time. Okay, this topic already we have completed. Isn't it? Now turn your pages to page number 56, children. Turn it. Turn your pages, children. Page number 56. See here. In 4.4, we are having one exercise, children. Let's read. Okay, I will read. Listen carefully. Imagine you have to do a task well. That means you are having a task that you have to do. Which words would you use to describe the qualities you need for this? That means there will be a one task, and which type of qualities you will select or you will use to complete that task. Use the help box given below. Write the words on the steps leading up to the prize. That means, see children, here two people are there, two children. Who are those? They are students like you only, isn't it? Now they have to get this cup. Okay, they have to get this prize. వీళ్ళకి ఈ ప్రైజ్ రావాలన్నమాట. ఈ ప్రైజ్ రావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ, ఏమేం చేస్తూ ఉండాలి? ప్రైజ్ రావాలంటే అలా కష్టపడాలి. ఓకే, ఇన్ సమ్ వర్డ్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫిల్ దీస్ స్టెప్స్ టు గెట్ దిస్ ప్రైజ్. ఓకే, కొన్ని వర్డ్స్ తీసుకుని ఆ వర్డ్స్తో ఈ ప్రైజ్ పొందడానికి మనం రాయాలి. హియర్ హెల్ప్ బాక్స్ ఈజ్ దేర్. నీట్ మీన్స్ నీట్గా ఉండడం. ఫూలిష్ మీన్స్ ఏమీ తెలియకుండా తింగరగా ఉండడం. లేజీ మీన్స్ బద్ధకంగా ఉండడం. క్లెవర్ మీన్స్ తెలివిగా ఉండడం. అన్టైడీ, దట్ మీన్స్ నాట్ క్లీన్. ఓకే, నాట్ టైడీ, అగ్లీగా ఉండడం, క్లీన్గా లేకుండా ఉండడం. స్మార్ట్, ఓకే, స్మార్ట్గా అంటే తెలివిగా ఉండడం. స్లీపీ మీన్స్ ఆల్వేస్ వాంట్ టు స్లీప్. ఓకే, అంటే ఎప్పుడు నిద్రపోవడానికి ఎక్కువ టైం ఇస్తే దాన్ని స్లీపీ అంటారు. కేర్ఫుల్ మీన్స్ వాట్ ద థింగ్స్ we are doing, in that one we have to pay attention. Okay, we have to take care what we are doing. That one is careful. Okay, now first one, see what we have to write. Tell children. Let's start from here, right side. First one, careful. To get prize, we have to be careful or no need to care? Yes, we have to be careful. Keep the tick mark here and write here CAREFUL. Careful. Okay, and next, sleepy. No, we should not be sleepy. Okay, at night only we will sleep. No, whole day we will be so active. And next, smart. Yes, we have to be smart to complete our task. SMART. Smart. Okay, and next, untidy. That means not tidy, unclean. We should be like that. No, we should take bath every day, and we should be keep our all things very neat and clean. Okay, that means untidy, it's not there. And next, clever. Yes, we should be clever. Okay, ఏదన్నా ఒక టాస్క్ కంప్లీట్ చేయడానికి మనం తెలివిగా ఉండాలా ఉండక్కర్లేదా? Yes, we have to be clever in whatever we are doing. Right, clever spelling CLEVER. Clever. Okay, and next one, lazy. We should be lazy? No, we should be very active. And foolish. No, we should be never foolish. Okay, and last one, neat. We should untidy or neat? We should be neat. Okay, write this one also. NEAT. Neat. Okay, see 4 qualities, children. Neat, clever, smart, careful. These 4 qualities we should have to complete our task. What is our task? To get this prize. These are the steps. See, read along with me. Careful, smart, clever, neat. Okay, write this one, children, and write meanings also in your notebook. This is about today's English class, children. Complete these works and send to me in WhatsApp. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.